Mga taga-Iriga, maray na gabi po kaninyo ngamin. Now Iriga enjoys a rightful place under the sun, and there is every reason for the Irigeño to be proud. This is Iriga. You have made it what it is. Thank you, Irigeños. Amudi Irigang One. This resulting in 180 million worth of grant projects. Iriga is all of us, ambitious and worth the salt. No wonder why many Irigeños have carved their names with pride. Ang galing ng Irigeño, maganting, uragon, matibay kita. The phenomenal Nora Honor, Eddie Ilarde, the first Irigeño Senator, Laila de Lima, the feisty Secretary of Justice, the late Emilia Boncadin, whose honesty as Secretary of Budget and Management is beyond reproach, the Malaya brothers, Eduardo Malaya, Ambassador to Malaysia, and Jonathan Malaya, Department of Education Assistant Secretary for Special Projects, Chom Ligo and Juan Taduran, Olympic medalists, Attorney Santiago D. Ortega Jr., the only Lifetime Achievement Awardee bestowed by the local Sangguniang Panglungsod. Ang mga taga-Iriga ba versatile? Hindi lang. May ambisyon pa at hindi hadlang ang anumang katayuan sa buhay. Annabel Katimbang and Conchita Ibarondo, Metrobank Outstanding Teachers. Dulce Achan, the President of CSPC. Lucio Margalio, Outstanding Policeman of the Philippines. The Alphalors, Felix Alphalor Sr., former Provincial Governor who started education for the masses. Remedios Alphalor, Gintong Ina Awardee, and my father, Congressman Buboy Alphalor, co-author of the Local Government Code. Hindi lang sila. There are countless Irigeños who have brought prominence. The UNEP Chorale, internationally recognized. The Tinagba Festival already has a niche in the cultural scene. The Iriga Central School, multi-awarded in national competitions in dance drama, sabayang bigkas, and broadcasting. The 14 BJMP inmates who availed of the alternative learning system scored 100% passing in the secondary education examination. The Excel Award for Leadership and Excellence in Communication given to me by the International Association of Business Communicators and the invitation by the government of Shanghai, China as the youngest panelist in a World Expo on Governance made me as proud as every Irigeño who cares for our land. The line does not stop here. For as long as Irigeños bond towards the progress of the city, they will continuously bring honor globally.